Hi everyone, welcome back to my class with Miss Kim. Today's topic we're going to be covering cell cycle, or also known as mitosis. Look familiar? I'm sure you guys seen this in your textbooks, but the most basic function of a cell cycle is to duplicate the vast amount of DNA in its chromosomes and then segregate the copies into two genetically identical daughter cells. This is just a quick look on how everything is organized regarding your genetic material. It starts off with the cell, nucleus, then the chromosomes. The chromosome is going to be made up of proteins that are called histones and also DNA, which is your genetic material. Chromosome. So yeah, we've been talking about it all this time, and the biggest takeaway I want you guys to focus on is yes, it contains all of your DNA, but if you take a closer look at how it's structured, you notice that it's made up of two sister chromatids. It's going to be attached by something called a centromere. Interphase. So the funny thing about this kind of phase is that it's actually not part of mitosis, but it is probably one of the most important phases that a cell goes through because it spends most of its time there. And it's where it grows, it replicates its chromosomes, and then it prepares for cell division, also known as mitosis. Alright, so let's get right into mitosis. The first phase is called prophase, basically just a formation of chromosomes where they actually become condensed and the nuclear envelope around the nucleus just starts to break down. Simple. Metaphase, so we have M, short for middle. This is where the chromosomes and chromatids start to line up in the middle. Anaphase, so we have A, short for away, and this is where the chromatids start to separate and starts moving towards the left and the right. Telophase, so this one, the chromosomes are starting to become at their poles and they become more diffuse. The nuclear envelope starts to reform and the cytoplasm can start dividing. Cytokinesis, we made it, guys. So this is where you now have two final daughter cells and they're each duplicate copies of the DNA of your original cell. So cytokinesis, basically just the final split. That's it, guys. So we have the cell cycle. So other than the interphase, we have mitosis, starting with prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and finally cytokinesis. If you guys have any trouble understanding any of these phases, or if I can clarify any concepts that we've learned today, go ahead and just let me know, and then I will be more than welcome to help you guys out. Thanks, guys.